Hello everyone, today we got P30 Lite Huawei. We're going to change the LCD unit. The back cover has to come out, the LCD has to come out, so we're going to heat it up on a lower to medium heat on your heat gun, or about 180 to 200 on your hot air station. So let's heat it up a bit and then I will start removing the stuff. I gave it a bit extra heat because the back cover was broken, so it came out easy. You see, it's a glass back cover, so you have to be very careful with that, and somebody already has put glue in it a lot. That's why it was stuck. Otherwise it shouldn't be, if you're opening it for the first time, it shouldn't be that difficult. But why we have to open it with care? Because your fingerprint sensor strip is connected to the board here. So first thing what we're going to do, we're going to release the fingerprint flexi so we don't damage it. Now we can put the back cover aside. Yeah, there is the fingerprint flexi. Now we can start working on it. First thing first, we're going to open all these screws and clean this. This is a mess. I don't like this type of job. You guys should be careful when you're putting the glue. Put a little bit onto the sides and put rubbers around it, or that holder which can grip it nicely, and it gets glued with the cover easily. Like this, putting glue too much around it, when you need to open it again, it's a problem. So we're going to open all the screws around here to remove the LCD. So we're going to just clean the glue, it was getting on my nerves. I had to close it afterwards, and first I cleaned the glue. We're going to remove this plate here. There is one screw here. There is one small screw here. Hopefully we don't need to open all. I was thinking that. So after removing these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, just pick up this plastic cover, remove this plate, and we disconnect the battery, and we'll see where is the LCD, because I'm opening it after quite a long time. Okay, that was necessary to remove the battery, and we need to open this plate also for the LCD strip. So we're going to open here, and where else is the screw? We'll see if we need to open all or not. Those 2 screws are enough, 1 and 2. Just lift up a bit, remove the clip from here, from the board, and your LCD clip is removed. Now we can heat up this side to remove the LCD. Once it is heated, my LCD is damaged, so I just put a tweezer in there. Obviously you are changing the LCD, so it will be damaged. I hate when people do these kind of jobs, putting glue everywhere. This is not necessary, man. Put proper places a little bit glue and it's fine. This is a shit job. Please don't do these kind of jobs. Please subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up, watch my videos. I need watch time. So I'm gonna quickly clean all around. This is a shit job done before. Sorry about my language, but this is not the way that you're supposed to repair the things. I could clean as much as I did. We're just going to test the LCD quickly. Put the battery back. We can test it only this way because it has a password. So it seems that it's working. The battery is 2% only. I'm going to disconnect it and it's going to switch off. So now we're going to close it quickly. We're going to put glue all around it on top here, and maximum if you have to put, just put like one drop in this corner, one drop in this corner, one drop all around, and the rest you can put on top all around it. Once the glue is in there, slide back the LCD. Clip it back. Push this clip back. There is a hook there. Must go in there. Put the 2 screws here. Once those 2 screws are in there, put back the battery. This clip, because I bend the steel, it's keep coming out, so you can just bend it back. It has to come under it. If you wish to, you can open all the screws and take out the cover, but it's not necessary. If you want to do that way, you can remove all the screws and remove the cover. But if the job can be done with only removing 4 screws, why should we open all of them? That's 1, 2. The small screw. Now we'll put the glue all around it. A little glue, not that much. Now it's time to connect back the fingerprint sensor. Just slide that strip into its place. Sometimes these small things can give you hard time. Clip it and put the back cover, and you can put rubber around it so it can stick it properly. I'll put more rubbers around it. This is how you change P30 Lite LCD. Please give me thumbs up, share my video. I need watch time. I hope you like my video. Until next time, goodbye. And please, I need watch time. Help me out. Thank you very much.